Guys, Tim and Donna Avery here with Visual Assessments. We are harvesting potatoes today. Now, what variety are these? These are the...
I believe these...
Are they baby reds or are they the...
I don't think they are, but they're not russets. They're those little brown ones.
Okay.
You guys help us out.
So we're gonna break up the dirt a little bit here. These have been in the ground how long while we're doing this?
We started those the beginning of March, and here it is mid-July.
Yeah. So we done some in a potato bag before, and these are our first attempt in the ground, so we don't know how well these will be. We are hoping for a lot in this ground here, but we'll see what happens as we are pulling these potatoes. I'm going to move some of this dirt up the hill so we can kind of save this. As we replant and reseed these potatoes, we can just recycle the same dirt. We've had 2 potato plants here, so I probably need to open up some of this down here too.
While he's doing that, I'll show you that we started a new area too to seed of green beans. And this one right here is cucumber. 2 sets of green beans and then cucumber. And our zucchini is still doing amazing.
That guy.
Oh, wow.
Man, yeah.
Number 1. Pretty, pretty. And as we learned from Back to Eden Gardening, we just put one back in and keep going. Which is what we'll do since it's mid-July. We'll see August, September, October, we'll see a harvest again.
Yeah.
Especially since we're in South Carolina, Zone 7B. There's going to be ample time, ample time to do more harvesting of another batch, which we plan to plant year-round.
Baby potato
in various ways, from greenhouse to indoors to frost hardy outside.
So I think for sure that
they went deeper.
Yeah. This is some hard dirt. I know potatoes like that loose dirt, so we probably are learning from this. But really like that. Here's another potato here coming out.
Oh.
That's a nice good one there. And there's a potato plant. Another potato there.
Beautiful. Is that another potato?
Yep.
I'm gonna come around the other side. And this is our tomato plants doing well. We've had to pull back some of the mulch now that it's hotter and add more food and coffee grounds.
On these potatoes on this side. But we will be reseeding.
Right now.
What I am going to do though is I'm going to break up more of this ground and make it more softer, and I'm also going to put some more better soil in here just to kind of learn from what this plant needs. It just needs softer, more breathable ground.
And I recall that we did 2 in every section, so I think we should probably try here too.
We did pull at 2 points. There were one was kind of set.
Oh, were they?
High and low, so. And then we got more potatoes on the other side too that we need to pull up. But I'm just gonna open this ground a little bit more. So I think we're down on this side. I'm just gonna make a nice little potato hole here. Make this ground nice and soft, and then when we're ready, cover it up and put more good soil in it. And then just plant that thing nice and shallow, but at least it'll have good roots to grow down into for our next round of potatoes. So that is what we are doing. All right, you want to go to the other side and see what we got on the other side?
Yeah.
So we got one good potato on each plant, which was good.
2. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so that's good.
Put those right back in there to reseed.
All right, so this is our other potato plants here.
But see, no, we did. We planted another one, so I'd like for you, if you won't mind humoring me,
Yeah.
to check the other side, because I remember us putting,
2 over there.
yeah,
So we'll just do.
we'll just widen it when we go back over there.
So let's.
Just in case.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Because if nothing else, we can put those 2 potatoes in each hole.
Yeah. I'm gonna open this, soften this ground up a little bit.
That one's pretty good, huh?
Let's see what we got on this hole. Potatoes. Kind of follow the stem down. Ground gets a little hard. Some rocks going against us hit the potato growth, but you never know what we got. What else we got?
A good worm.
What's that now? That's a rock. Well, no, I see something down here. Have to look right here. Right there.
Oh, deep, deep, deep.
Deep down.
It found a
Deep-
way.
Deep down.
I wonder if we need to go deeper. Goodness, he found a way through the hard soil and rock. He said, "Oh no, you ain't stopping me."
Look at that guy.
Wow. We should go deeper on the other side. That's a good one.
That guy went deep in there.
Gosh. Okay, well here we are digging deeper. He found a way, didn't he?
Oh, glass in there too.
That's interesting how that potato root found.
There's another one
Look
right
at
there.
it. It found a way to grow in rock, hard clay.
Yeah. Because the soil's not the.
The top portion was, but
Yeah.
it's not had really good time to get the depth, and yet that's what they seem to have reached for.
All right. That's actually exciting.
That is exciting because that's deep. You might want to
Move
dig
some
in there.
yeah.
Gosh, that
That's
just
a
smells
rock.
good. That smells really good, you guys. Healthy, healthy, healthy.
Watch out. Big root right there. Something. I think it's probably from that tree right there. Yeah. But I think that's gonna be all in this hole. I'm just gonna widen it up. Our next batch of potatoes got a good shot. Like I said, we'll put some real good soil down in this hole. And,
That's beautiful.
yeah,
Oh,
so
this
that's
one.
gonna be good. All right, let's see what we got in here.
You guys, this is our zucchini plant that we found a vine borer in and have been working on letting it heal. so far it seems like it's doing amazing because the leaves, if you could feel them, they are actually feel thicker than before. So we just I stinted them up so they wouldn't lean over the wall and help the vine to create some good root growth.
I know we got some potatoes in here. I can almost feel them in this thing.
Yeah, that looks good. I'm gonna come on this side.
All right. Okay, let's see what we got in this hole. There's our potato plant. Okay, I can feel some already. So come on, there's one right there.
Beautiful.
There's
Two.
another there.
Uh-oh, it's falling over the...
Yeah, I'll have to come out here and get all that up. There's another one, I think, right over here. Yeah, another one down in here. Come look in here. You see it down in that hole right there. Yeah.
He's in there.
He's in there. Here he comes. There he is.
Cute.
Where's my shovel? Make this hole a little bit wider.
So, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 between the 2 or 3. And like I said, I still feel like there's another area he needs to dig on the right-hand side. But we're going to take 4 of these good-sized and replant
There's
them.
another one right there.
Oh, well, there you go. There's another. And replant them. Gosh, I wonder how much to be able to reseed. And you know, while we're at it, it would do good to go on the side of the house and pull up the other one. The other potato plant that we planted last year, and it popped back up this spring.
Yeah. All right, we get this hole a little bit deeper.
Okay.
Then widen it up. And we'll go get that other.
Beautiful. Good soil. You guys, this smells like a wonderful mud mask. Seriously. A lot of minerals. A storm blew through here and kind of tossed these sideways, so we're going to be building cages for those with chicken wire today. Comment below if you want to see how we're going to do that.
All right. I think I'm just doing one more check to make sure I don't miss any potatoes. Widen it up a little bit more. All right.
Gorgeous. That's some good stuff to even put in the compost we have.
Yeah, it's getting richer and richer. Okay. Well, let's check out this other hole we got. Jonathan, this is about, which side do you think it's on? Here?
Yep. I really do.
So,
I remember a stalk falling early on that was already kind of decaying. And I really feel like there's something in there.
definitely some soft ground right there. That's not soft. Not my roots. Look at that. They just pop right up.
Woohoo! Here I
She
am.
was right.
Here I am. There's Moa. Get my sisters.
Okay. Donna's suspicions were correct. There's another one. There's another one.
Can't stop us. Yeah. Those are pretty.
There's another little guy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. So for those of you that don't know, this is our community garden. We obviously have our own garden in the back, but we wanted to do something for the community with our property. So since there's a lot of activity here, as you see, the park's just down there. There's a lot of people that walk back and forth to the park, and many of them already understand that if they see some produce on the vine that's ready for picking, just take it.
So now we have to do what with these potatoes. We have to give them somebody.
Yes. Yes, we do.
A lot of roots right here.
Yes, I think
Right,
there's
wow, that
something
thing.
else.
God.
Seemed to do a great harvest, though.
Yeah. Considering everything. Alright. Let's dig around here.
Bet you'll find more.
I think you're right. I'm gonna find something in here.
What do you guys think? You think you'll find some more? That's a big root. Wow. I wonder if there's anything in between these two. I mean, maybe not, but
Let's check that. If we have them so close by, it's, you know, it's hard to look. And that way we'll have a bigger potato bag. Oops. Sorry, I'm gonna get new zero.
no, you're fine. God made dirt and dirt don't hurt.
Not seeing anything immediately.
Okay. Well, now we're going to go to the side of the house and see what we have. That was the results of our community garden here.
Yeah, so we will replant this, put more good soil in there, some manure in the bottom of this hole, fill it back up, and
Let it go.
so as the potatoes are growing, they'll find that good nutrient.
Mm-hmm.
Get rid of all these weeds.
So close to our anniversary in October, we'll check again. And as you saw, the vines start turning yellow and dying off, and that's how you know to usually leave them a couple weeks longer and then go for it. Serious root there, which probably helped with a lot of aeration, but could also stunt.
Yeah, takes the nutrients out of the ground. You want to go to the side then?
Yeah. So now we'll go to the side.
I'm after this.
Lettuce or cabbage.
Cabbage.
So now we'll go to the side to check out the area that we had planted for ourselves, and then honestly forgot about it.
They were
Our
good.
peaches were great. That's an orange tree, and we have a muscadine. Now, I will say that in this palette, oh, we have carrots growing there. But in this pallet, we got to be careful because I had planted a cucumber that popped back up as well as the potatoes. I planted a cucumber this season, but the potatoes said, don't count us out. But I will also point out that there is a chipmunk that resides in this pallet who may get very frustrated with Tim at this point.
Bolt out of here.
He may just bolt.
This is our potato plant right here, right? All this?
Yes.
And this is not, right?
This is not. And I would even move him around. Yes.
Okay, and this is a potato plant too, right? Because some of it.
Yes, all of that's potato.
Okay, so we have two potato plants here.
Correct.
Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, I see. He came just around the side. So all this is going to be underneath this pallet.
Yep.
So what do you think is going to be the best approach for this?
I don't know. I think slightly moving it this way. We could even afford to move these. I would be careful.
That's not like all the way down. It's pretty shallow. You think?
Right.
This? Never been asked, but
Be real careful.
wow. Come over here. Take a look.
How did it do?
This potato is right here.
Oh, wow. Yeah, now these are the russets. Now you see the difference.
Hold that.
That's a russet
Hold that.
that we planted.
Look more. There's another guy right there.
And these stayed in here since last October. You can just put them in the ground right here.
Still there.
Some may even be in the pallet.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another one. I see him right there.
Yeah. Plant through.
Some may even be through that side of the pallet if we want to look.
Yeah, I did.
Well, we definitely know there's something down in there. With those roots, for sure we've got something in there.
Which is now soft. If you want to replant something back there, you can, but just keep in mind that I don't want to go too deep over that gas line, but I think that's about it on this one.
Yeah, that's good then. We won't, you're right. So,
Is our plan to replant right here or not?
yeah, no. I think you're right about the gas line. I think we just threw the potatoes in this pallet and went forward to see what it would do. And that's interesting what it did.
Now, do we have any potatoes anywhere else? Was that it on our potatoes?
I think that was it.
Okay.
Although it's interesting because I see roots right here and I don't know what they are. And I can't remember if we planted more and then put the pallet down later. Yeah, I'm actually seeing roots of something. It might be worth it just to put your shovel in right here to see what this is.
That's a big potato though. That one potato I think took all the nutrients. Was like, hey, I'm gonna get all this right here. This looks like mushrooms or something.
Okay, well then we won't put them in the carrots. Okay, well that's a great turnout. That's a really great turnout. So, a really big russet. 3 of them. And
So what do you think?
I definitely think it's worth chopping this one up and reseeding.
We gotta let the scar over, remember?
Oh, well then we'll just reseed the whole
In
thing.
there. As long as it's got eyes.
Yeah, well this one definitely.
Oh yeah. I'll go right back in the ground if you wanted to.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the dirt from the back.
So that's it, guys. Now you see, literally you can try different ways of gardening and growing things and see what works, and that's what we've done. Have a great day.